Okay guys, I've got everything set up for the fried rice. I'm really excited because I only made fried rice a handful of times and I really enjoyed every time that I make it. So today I'm making some egg fried rice, and I'm gonna just use plain white rice that I had already cooked, and I set it out to cool and to dry off a little so it's not too wet when we fry it. And we've got a pan over here heating up. I just put a few drops of oil in there. And what we're gonna first do is saute our onions. Just stir them a little bit. And we're gonna also stir in there a little bit of frozen peas. Okay, and we've got the eggs also. So we're just gonna let these go a little bit until they heat up, especially the peas all the way through because they were frozen, but they normally cook through very fast. Okay, we're also gonna use some white pepper. And we're also gonna add some, I have a mixture here of soy sauce, oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, and to add a little bit of flavor, this is, this is my little hack. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. But I put in a teaspoon and a half of salsa, the type that you use when you're making tacos and nachos. So I put in a teaspoon and a half in there just to give it a little bit more flavor. And you don't have to if you don't want to, but I just wanted a little bit more flavor in there. And 2 tablespoons of water. And I mixed it all up. Sometimes I like to add a half a teaspoon of vinegar, but I didn't do that this time. Alright, I've got my heat up to about medium-high, closer to the medium side. Alright, we're going to set everything to the perimeter here, and we're going to cook our egg. Alright, so we're just going to let this get a little bit solid, and then we're going to try and just move it to the center so it can finish cooking. Alright. Here we go. It's okay if some of the peas and the onion get incorporated in it. It doesn't really matter. Everything's gonna come together anyway. Okay, we're gonna turn that over a little. Try to break up the egg a little. Okay, so these were 2 eggs that I scrambled up. You don't have to add 2 eggs. You can add just 1 egg. And this is a half a cup of jasmine rice. And remember, the rice is already cooked, so we're not cooking the rice, we're just frying it a little. And I'm using a non-stick pan. Because I don't have a wok, I prefer using the non-stick. I've tried a stainless steel pan before, and it worked okay, but you needed to have a little bit more oil than I liked in the pan, so, but I prefer the non-stick. You don't have to use as much oil. Okay, I just want the egg to be fully cooked. Okay. Stir that a little bit more. Okay, also you can add anything else you like. If you like carrots, you can add that in here. Alright, or if you don't like anything, you just like your rice as plain as possible. You don't have to add anything if you don't like, if you don't want to. Okay, so then we're gonna add, I just want a drop of oil, well, a few drops. Okay, that's good enough. That's about a half a teaspoon, it looks like to me, even less. Okay, just to fry the rice a little bit better. Alright. Again, this is rice that I had cooked earlier, and I just set it up on this plate to cool and dry, because your fried rice will come out a whole lot better once you dry it. Okay, so now we're gonna go. Okay, so we're gonna take a little bit of our mixture. Okay, maybe about a third of it first. Okay, we're gonna mix everything in here. Okay, if you see any clumps of rice, just break them up. Trying to separate the rice of grains here as much as possible. Okay guys, if you're still with me at this point and you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the subscription button. It doesn't take any time at all, just a second of your time. Just to subscribe to my channel, just a friendly reminder. I know sometimes I get focused on watching the video and I forget. And, you know, it helps to have a friendly reminder, just a friendly reminder, hit the subscription button. And like that, you'll be notified of any other videos that I make, any postings that I make. And, if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. Glad to have you here, and I hope everyone is having a fantastic, fantastic day. Okay, now my heat is still on medium. Let me see. I might be able to put a little bit higher, but I think I'm just gonna leave it this way. Okay, any clumps of rice, just break them up. I'm going to add a little bit of I have white pepper here. Just add a little bit of white pepper in here. And I'm going to taste this just to see if I need to add any more of the stir fry sauce. All right, maybe a little bit more. Don't want to add too much because there's a lot of salt in there. There's a lot of salt in the soy sauce and also in the oyster sauce. I'm going to start using my left hand because my right hand is killing me. And that's the thing about making fried rice. You have to continue to stir because you don't want it to burn. That's why I kept my heat at a medium, because I've made it before on high heat and I think I don't remember how well it went. I mean, it tasted good, but I think it fried too soon or something. I don't remember exactly what happened. But medium heat is fine. All right, I'm gonna taste this one more time. Okay, it's very good. We just let it sit a little bit so it could be a little bit more fried. I can taste the pepperiness from the white pepper. Alright, put this away. So as you can see, I didn't have to use all of the mixture. It's not necessary to use all of it. Heat up now at the end, all the way up high, just to finish it off. think we're done. Okay. Okay, so this is our rice, and I'm going to taste it. Okay, it looks very nice. It smells really great. I just wish I added some garlic. I did add some garlic oil that I have, but I wish I added a little bit of a garlic clove, but it's fine the way it is. Very good. Oh, I like the peas and the eggs in there. I recommend for you to try this, guys. Okay, if you're a fan of egg and rice and peas, just make it the way I made it. Fried rice, it's not bad. Egg fried rice. Okay, see you later.